So in the previous class we had already discussed the lesson, so now we will discuss about the question answer. So here F number, differentiate between the following pairs monomer and polymer that you will get in keywords. Then number 2 fibers and plastic, we will go page number 33 and 37. So this is F number 2 fiber. A fiber is a very long structure made by continuous repetition of one or more small compounds. This is F number 2. Starting from here a fiber. Then we will go to page 37. Plastics are also polymers mainly made from petrochemicals. So plastics are also polymers mainly made from petrochemicals. Number 3 thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, that also you can get in keywords. So next define in one sentence polymer, it is there in keywords. PET, page number 35. Listen carefully. A special type of polyester which is a transparent and lightweight plastic is called PET. A special type of polyester which is a transparent and lightweight plastic is called PET. G number 2. Next is biodegradable, a substance which is capable of being decomposed by bacteria. Biodegradable, a substance which is capable of being decomposed by the bacteria. Recycle, it is the process of converting waste material into new materials. Recycle, the process of converting waste material into new materials. And synthetic fibers you will get in page number 33. G number 5, fibers made by humans are called synthetic fibers. G number 5. H number, can you give 4 examples of clothes that are worn unstitched? Dhoti, sari, lungi, turban, these are the 4 examples. The number 2, while working in the kitchen, it is advised not to wear synthetic clothes. Why? Page number 36. Synthetic fibers are inflammable, they catch fire very easily, hence it is not advised to wear such clothes when working near the fire. What are the advantages of synthetic fiber over natural fiber? Page number 36. You have to write only these underlined words: water resistant, wrinkle resistant, resistant to moss, and other also like strength, lightweight. Then these 3, only the underlined words you have to write, not this one, only bold words you have to write. Now long answer question, what are synthetic fibers, how are they different from natural fibers, you will get in PDF. Number 2, what is nylon, describe the properties and uses of nylon, page number 33 and 34. So I number 2, nylon is the first completely synthetic fiber made by men. The raw materials needed to make nylon are often from crude oil and are called petrochemicals. Nylon fibers are very strong, durable, elastic and light. They absorb very little water. Nylon fibers are highly flammable. Then uses, nylon is used in making clothes, stockings, raincoats, tents and sleeping bags. It is also used to make ropes, seat belts, toothbrushes, parachute, fishing nets and sports equipments. It is also used as plastic. This is I number 2. Number 3, what are blended fabrics? Give 2 examples and their uses. So polyester mixed with wool is called polywool or terrywool. Polyester mixed with cotton is called polycot or terrycot. This is page number 34. Page number 34. So these are blended fabrics which have the desired properties of both the fibers present in them. Polywool is used to make winter wear and polycot is used to make summer wear. I number 3. Number 4, write 4 properties of plastic that make them popular for making different objects. Page number 38. These are few points. Out of that you can write any 4 points. No need of writing the whole points. You can write like plastics are lighter than metals. Plastic do not dissolve in water. Plastics do not react easily. Plastics are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics are durable. So like that any 4 points you can write. This is page number 38. Question number 5, what is plastic pollution? What are the causes of plastic pollution? What are the ways by which it can be reduced? Page number 38, 39, 40. So from here we will start. Plastics are non-biodegradable. This means that microorganisms do not decompose them in soil. As a result, plastic waste keeps getting accumulated. This is called plastic pollution. This is plastic pollution. If plastic bags are thrown away carelessly, they block the public drains. The plastic choke the air pipe, choke the animals' air pipe. Polythene bags containing the food waste are eaten by the stray cattle. So the plastics choke their air pipe or the stomach, resulting in the death of the animal. Plastics are inflammable, they burn very easily and produce harmful gases. For all these reasons, plastic pollution and disposal of plastic has become a major problem in the world today. Next, how can we contribute or what we can do? We can do some simple things. We can do some simple things to reduce the plastic waste. Any 5 points you can write here, and here any 5 points you can write. So this is about your question answer and long question, hot question and short question you will get in PDF. This pages number also I will send in PDF so that it will be easy for you to write in your copy with a good handwriting.